Hello students, our chapter number 5, that is food and nutrition, is going on. So in last video we had learnt about nutrients. So we had learnt about proteins, carbohydrates, fats and vitamins and minerals. Okay, so these are major 5 nutrients that need to our body to the growth of our body. Okay, so student, like these nutrients, water and roughage are also very important for the digestion of food in our body. So in addition to nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, our body need adequate amounts of water and roughage in diet. So like these nutrients, water and roughage are also very important in our diet. So choose the correct answer. Food that contains dash is called body building food. So food that contains dash is called body building. So food that contains dash is called body building food. Answer is proteins. Second, dash help our body to store energy and release it when needed. Answer is fats. Third, food that contains vitamin and minerals is called dash food. Answer is protecting food. Calcium and phosphorus make our bones and teeth strong. So students, water forms like nutrients, water and roughage is also very important to our body. So water forms about 65% of the human body. It is an important part of blood. The daily requirement of water is about 2 to 3 liters. So student, we have to daily drink 2 to 3 liter water in one day. Okay, so because our body needs 65% water. Okay, and it is important part of a blood. Okay, so we have to daily drink 2 to 3 liters water. The fibrous parts of grains, fruits and vegetables constitutes roughage. So what is meant by roughage? The fibrous parts of grains, fruits and vegetables like cucumber, like radish, carrot, these are called the roughage. Means the fruits or the vegetable that we eat in raw, मतलब जो हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं, जो fruits है वो हम कच्चे खाते हैं. ओके, वेजिटेबल्स है जो वेजिटेबल्स हम मीन्स कच्चा खा सकते हैं. सो दैट फूड आइटम्स आर कॉल्ड roughage. Drinking plenty of water during the day and including a sufficient quantity of roughage in a diet helps to improve digestion. So student, water and roughage are very important to improve our digestion. Means water and roughage are help in the digestion of food. So like nutrients, water and roughage is also very important in our food. Okay, so next point is a balanced diet. So students, balanced diet. So to improve the growth of our body, we have to take a balanced diet. So let's say about the balanced diet. A diet that contains all the necessary nutrients like proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, water and roughage in the correct proportion is called a balanced diet. A diet that contains all the necessary nutrients, water and roughage in the correct proportion is called a balanced diet. Everyone needs a balanced diet. However, certain people may require larger portion of a specific food item. For example, a person recovering from a long sickness may need more proteins to repair the damage caused by his or her illness. A person suffering from anemia needs food rich in iron. Okay, so student, everyone needs a balanced diet. So balanced diet means what? To take a proper portion of all nutrients, water and roughage. So this is called a balance or this diet is called balanced diet. मतलब हमारे डाइट में जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स है वो प्रॉपर पोर्शन में होने चाहिए, वाटर भी एंड रफेज भी. So this diet is called balanced diet and everyone needs a balanced diet. But certain people they are suffering from illness, मतलब जो पीपल जो बीमार पड़ते हैं, ओके, सो दे नीड मोर डाइट और मोर प्रोटीन्स टू रिपेयर द डैमेज कॉज बाय हर और हीज इलनेस। मतलब उनको क्या हो सकता है, उनको ज्यादा प्रोटीन्स लगते हैं क्योंकि वो बीमार थे, दे आर रिकवर फ्रॉम अ लॉन्ग सिकनेस। So to improve their health, they have to take more amount of proteins. Or a person suffering from anemia, so they needs food rich in iron. Okay, so see, we are so student, we are not a sick people. Okay, so we have to take our diet in a proper portion. But the people, they are recovered from the illness or they are recovered from any diseases, so they have to take they can change their proportion of diet, okay, because they have to improve their body health. Okay, so student, our next point is malnutrition and deficiency disease that we will see in our next video. So read this topic and complete your homework. Thank you, students.